What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to this another sneaker unboxing with your host with the most, Astro Cuddy, man. Astro. And honestly, I actually changed the whole sneaker unboxing name to Kicking It with Astro. It's a name that my friend gave me. Shout out to my boy Jamel. And I'm gonna stick with it. I fuck with it. I like the name of it. It's Kicking It with Astro. I talk about kicks and everything else that comes with it. But welcome back. 9 months later, season 2. We here. We made it. Shout out to everybody that stuck with me for mad long, bro. We made it. We made it here, and what I have in my lap right now is so valuable to me. Like, when they got here, I shedded a tear, and I might shed another tear. But if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that bell, comment, because we're coming with some motherfucking heat. Ooh, shit almost fell. It's been a long ass 9 months. It's been a long 9 months, man. Like, it's just been work, more work. There's gonna be a whole bunch of content I'm coming out with, just like not just only sneaker unboxings, but just everything that has to do with fashion, even like tutorials on how to clean your sneakers, or like tutorials on how to pick an outfit. So I'm coming to y'all with all of that. So that's why I just changed it from like sneaker unboxing to like Kicking It with Astro, because every time I record something and I post it, y'all gonna be kicking it with me, y'all gonna be chilling, and sometimes we're gonna be talking about some kicks. So man, 9 months. I haven't bought sneakers in 9 months. Like, that hurt, but I had to do it. But that really fucking hurt, bro. Like, I don't understand. I'll have a love for sneakers, and me not buying anything for 9 months, I was going through it. I was going through it, y'all. But I got some heat, because I ain't just cop one. I copped 3 pairs, but I'm not just going to show y'all all 3 right now. I'm just going to show y'all one. Y'all going to get the other 2 episodes soon. But man, this is season 2. I really thought I wasn't going to do another season. I ain't going to lie. I was like, damn, what sneakers am I gonna get? Cause I don't want to do like season 2 and have like some calm shit. I wanted like season 2 to like come out with a banger. Like, season 2 was gonna come out with some heat. So a lot of y'all know I'm a big Travis fan, right? And you see that shoe right there? Still there, man. Still there. I have a lot of love for that shoe. But I got a W. I got myself a real big W. And I'm like really excited to show y'all. So without further ado, let's get to it. So a little birthday present to me, because my birthday was in May. I got myself, y'all see the name. Y'all see the fucking name, bro. Oh my God. I didn't even open the fucking box yet and I just smelled it, bro. Like, I have issues, but they're good issues. I got myself the Nike Air Max Cactus Jack 1s. Fuck, I was so mad that I didn't like win a pair. But then I saw on GOAT that they were actually for a reasonable price, and I said, why fucking not? Why not, bro? Like, it's a Travis Scott shoe. Like, that's the main point of this video. It's a Travis Scott shoe, and I actually have one in my hand, bro. So coming with the box is pretty, like, it's brown. Travis has a thing with brown for some reason, and I really fuck with it. But I really like the little Cactus Corporation on like the front, the side, of course, Cactus Jack logo. Of course, the gang shit, Cactus Jack logo. Big gang shit, man. Like, every time I open this box, I kind of get like chill. Oh my God, bro. Ooh, these shits is so hard. I didn't even put them on. Like, I unlaced one shoe and I just said, fuck, I can't even put them on. I don't even want to put them on right now. So without further ado, yeah, I kissed my fucking shoe. I don't give a fuck. Hey, You know how long I've been waiting for a reverse swoosh Travis Scott shoe? They didn't get the ones. I ain't get the low top ones. I ain't get the fucking Air Force ones. I ain't get none of them shits. This is a W. I don't care how hype I am. I don't care if I wear these shits for a week straight and niggas cut my ass. This is a W. I have the shoe. I'm hype as fuck. I have my favorite fucking artist shoe in my hand. Do y'all not understand how happy I am? Like, the details on the shoe is really crazy though, because like, I have Air Maxes. I have the regular Air Max ones, and first of all, they don't really have no like straps like this. They don't really have that. But wow, and it goes all around. Well, partially comes out right here also. The like, I guess the material on the like on the check, shit go crazy, bro. Like, look at that. I'm giving another kiss because why not? Like, look at this shoe. Like, has a little Cactus Jack logo. You know, I guess like the little logo for like their sneakers or sportswear that they're gonna drop. Has a Nike logo on the back. I actually really love the color. There's another pair. There's a brown, like tan and red pair. I'm just gonna be thankful with this one. I'm gonna be thankful with this one. But man, I wish I had that one too. Honestly, the fucking like Air trainers are cheap too. The Cactus Jack Air trainers, I might just cop them shits. I ain't gonna lie to you. But man, yo, you know how happy I am to see Cactus Jack in my fucking like insole right now? Like, what? Bro, like I'm on cloud like 25. Like, fuck 9. I'm on 25 right now because what the fuck? I have a Travis Scott shoe. Yo, I have a Travis Scott shoe. I have a Travis Scott shoe. Like, y'all know I've been dying for one shoe. Not dying, but like I've been fiending for one, but I have a Travis Scott shoe. And the other one says Cactus Jack on the back. Bro. Even the bottom goes crazy, bro. Like, that's tough. Yo, like, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with these laces. I like the laces that like come with it, cause it has like gray with like a hint of pink. I don't know if I can see that, but you know, I can see that right there. Yo, like I had this shoe out all night just looking at it as I slept, bro. Like, woke up happy as hell. I was like, I really got a pair of Travis Scotts. I ain't gonna lie, they did well with this packaging, cause this shit right here, putting this shit on my motherfucking wall. Cactus Corporation, fuck is y'all talking about? Cactus Jack the gang. I'm hyped, bro. I'm so hyped. Bro, I even got my Weather Guard cleaner to spray on these bitches because I'm throwing them on right as we speak. Like, right after this video, throwing them right on. Y'all already see the fit coming together. I'm throwing them right on. Because motherfucker step on my shoe, somebody gonna die. I'm not playing no games. Making sure this shoe is protected from stains, water, and leather. I said I'm bugging. And salt. I'm just too hyped. I'm too hyped for this shoe. I'm taking care of this shoe. This is my baby. Like, low key, this shoe has made me really happy. And it just got here. I can't wait to throw this shit on, bro. Like, yo, like, wow. I don't want to kiss it because I obviously just put that shit on it, but like, wow. A reverse check. You know what this means? I don't even know what it fucking means. That's how cool it is. I don't even know. I'm not playing no games. I'm throwing this shit on today. And someone will try to step on my shoes. I will knock that motherfucker out. Take care of your kicks, but also wear them. I'm telling y'all. But honestly, like, y'all don't Yo. I didn't even talk that much in this video. It's already been 10 minutes. I'm just hype as fuck. Whew. Been waiting for this, man. Been waiting for this. But again, thank y'all for sticking with me. We back, season 2. Start off with a fucking banger, man. Start off with a fucking banger. We gonna come out with more heat. We coming through strong. We coming through hot. We coming through ready. Hope y'all enjoyed. Can't wait to see y'all later on. Episode 2 got some heat. I ain't gonna lie. I'm also gonna drop like an updated top 10. So stay tuned for that. But again, it's your boy Astro. Much love to y'all. Peace.